Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to install Windows 11 without any requirements on your computer. Of course it is way which is not officially, but it will allow you have Windows 11 without problem. So it will be fast, quickly. You don't need to have TPM, good CPU and UEFI. Okay, and so I will show you how to do it in this tutorial. So watch this video and you will see step by step how to do it. So you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Let's go. Okay, it is here is Polish language, but I will tell you also how to do it. So you need to go to the official website Microsoft and download image disk ISO for to Windows 11 and to Windows 10. These two, and later you will need install. You will need remove from source on folder in Windows 11 install. There is install, it has over 4 gigabytes. From Windows 10. Wait, Windows, you must remove Windows 11. Yes, from Windows 11 install. Later you copy Windows copy install from Windows 10 and you put to the Windows 11, and you will see in this video. So look, you will create folder and you pass there everyone. Yes. Okay, and later you come to Windows 11, you go to the sources and you copy install win. Copy install win and you pass to the sources and you remove from video from this folder, install from. Okay, and later you click on the setup and you will have this option. So as you can see, on up is Windows 10, but you have Windows 11. I will show you. There you may keep all files or nothing. Okay, I will say no more words. You may see, we may watch till the end. So if I helped you, you may write a comment, you may share to others, you may leave like and subscribe. Bye bye and see you next time. Thanks.